Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video, we're going to be going over this Worksharp. This one teeters, okay? I bought this on the Workshop website for $44.95, but I'm going to tell you, it'd be best if you went on Amazon and bought it with Prime because you get it in 2 days. This took like a week and a half to get here, and I really like it so far. I wish they had a really, I don't know, it's all right to put a good edge on it. So you got 600, a 320, and then you've got a ceramic stone. And all you need to do when you get through using this is just take a brush, and you don't need to use any water or anything on it. So the 300 is the one that you want to use if you don't have a good edge at all. And so on here, you'll see that there's a 25, and then you'll flip it over and there's a 20. The 20 is for like a kitchen knife, and the 25 is for a regular pocket knife. But I'm sure everybody's got their own viewpoint, and I'm sure I'll hear about it in the comment section, so let me have it. I don't care. I can handle it. All right, so the way I like this, because it teeters, is you'll put it on the 25, right? And as you're going across it, it's moving, and it gets everything down to the tip, where if you're using a regular stone, it's all right. But this right here actually makes sure that you've got the right angle and it gets it down to the tip, because when you're using a stone, as you know, you'll lose that angle as you're coming towards the tip. And to sharpen, if you're watching this video, you probably know how to sharpen a knife, or maybe you don't know how to sharpen a knife. You want to go 7 or 8 times on one side, and then you want to come over here on this side until you get that bevel knocked off where it's folded over. But that's not why you came here to watch this video. You came here to see if this is worth buying. Yes, I think it is, because of this. Because if you've got knives, you know you keep your knives sharp. Let's put this over here on the 20. You know you keep your knives sharp. This knife has a really good edge on it, okay? So look at here. And I know you can do the same thing with a sharpening rod, you know, where you knock the edge off, because I used to cut meat and I know how those things work. They work really great. But this thing right here, I love the way, and I'm not a professional at sharpening a knife. I'm really not. Wow, that's pretty dang sharp. But what I got also when I bought this was, I bought this pocket sharpener right here from Worksharp. And it's got, I'm not worried about messing this blade up right here, because this is a piece of crap knife right here. And you know, stainless, it's probably from China. It does have a good spring assist on it, but it's got a diamond honer right here on the side, and it's already set up at 25 degrees. The thing that it said about this was that you might have to do several sections as you're coming down, because the knife blade may be too long, so you might have to go like that and then come up here and go like that. But I found by using this knife ain't all that great. I found by using this that I'm able to keep my knife on me at work, and if it starts getting dull, which this one is pretty damn sharp, you just want to just go over it a few times with that ceramic. And like I say, it's already got the 25 degrees on there. So it's perfect for out in the field when you're, let's say you're deer hunting. I don't do that anymore. Wow, that's like razor sharp. Deer hunting, or just working out like I do at work, and I have to use a knife every once in a while. This thing is perfect for just pulling out of your bag or your pocket, or going, you know, grabbing it real quick. But if you're deer hunting and you need to keep an edge, or if you're any kind of hunting and you need to keep an edge on your knife, this right here, man, I'm I'm really amazed at how small this is, but it's actually able to, you're able to carry it around really easy, okay? I like that. This part right here, this diamond edge, is really aggressive. I'm probably not going to use that very often unless I'm cutting rocks and I have to do something with it. But as far as keeping your pocket knife sharp, it works really great. And then it's also got these fold outs here that you can, if you know, like say right here, if I needed to tighten this up, then look, it was already loose. I mean, I didn't have that in there good. It's magnetic. There, it's in there good now. This was loose, but I don't know if I just messed it up for the spring assist. I did. Yep. Yeah, I want a little looser than that. Look at me flipping my hand out when it's got a spring assist. I'm thinking of the old days. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it's got the tools you need here to be able to tighten or whatever. So it's even got a smaller one right here that should fit in this handle. Yeah, it does. So it's got a smaller one in there that even fit in the handle to tighten that up if you need to. So I like that. But the video was about this. I like this because it pivots. You can also have it to where it doesn't pivot. There's a little spot here on the side. You flip that and it becomes stationary. Pretty much stationary. Let's see. Yeah, right there, stationary. And then you got pivot. Nice. So you got 20 degrees. And you flip them over and you got 25 degrees. And I know it's what, a kitchen knife's supposed to be what, 17 degrees or something like that, but I mean, you know, it's all good. But to keep an edge, I like this thing. Which one do I like best? The blade, I mean the belt sharpener, or this? I like the belt sharpener best because I can sharpen a knife with that belt, the Worksharp belt sharpener, in no time. And I've got a video on that where I'm sharpening a butcher knife with it. Now, that's pretty, that's like amazingly sharp right there. And look, you come down, as you're coming down, it just pivots with it and gets the tip and everything. So hey, if you like this video, check out the video description down below and see where I'll leave a link where you can pick this up on Amazon. I want to thank you for watching, stopping by watching. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.